So why did I choose Domino? Domino is a super relatable, modernized, and affordable way to learn a new language. And the fact that you can take it on the go on your phone is absolutely amazing. I can sit on break at work or in a coffee shop and just watch the lessons on my phone. It's fantastic. But it's super relatable in the sense that they're actually in China practicing what they're teaching. And the way that they're teaching it isn't overwhelming because they kind of build upon everything and it all falls into place like a domino. So that's why I chose Domino to learn Chinese. What is different with Domino from what you've tried before? Again, Domino is really modern. You have an app, you have all these different study materials that you have available to you for a super affordable price. That's what's different with this course. The fact that I can take it anywhere on my phone is a pretty big deal for me personally because I do travel a lot. And also the people who are teaching the course are a little bit younger. No offense to anybody that's a little bit older. They're a little bit younger, so it's really relatable for me in a sense, and it makes it easier for me to learn. So that's kind of what's different to me about Domino than anything else out there right now. So how much have I learned and how long I've studied? I've only been studying Chinese for a month, but I'm already through the first lesson and I feel pretty comfortable with saying basic phrases, recognizing different characters and stuff like that. And I never thought I would be able to learn this much so fast if it wasn't for Domino. And I'm studying, the way that I study is I use the online course material and I download it onto my phone and use it as a flashcard app. And I go and watch the videos. So I'll watch all the videos at once and then I'll go back to the flashcards, memorize the flashcards, watch all the videos again, and then it retains and sticks in my brain forever. And also, the girl I'm talking to is Chinese, so it's easy to kind of have a low-key teacher off to the side. What's your greatest accomplishment with your Chinese studies? My greatest accomplishment and my current goals, I guess you could say, are to be able to speak to my girlfriend and their family in their native language. My girlfriend's parents do not know any English. They only know Chinese, and my girlfriend knows English and Chinese. So it's nice to have somebody to talk to or correct me off to the side if I do need some help. And also, I do nuclear software engineering, and the company that I work for contracts overseas. So this is a very beneficial way and a business standpoint for me to talk to clients and stuff like that. So that's my biggest accomplishment. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all of them.